glass recycling bins so that nobody would park in front of the house, so he can make an easy wide turn. We'll see if that helps. Oh shoot! There he is. He's here, in front of my house. How you doing?
Good, how you doing, man?
Good. Good to see you. Thanks for bringing her in. You were lying. This is big. How long? How big?
70.
Oh, cool. Got to get a RANS sticker on there.
I tried last time I was there. When I picked up, then like, we'll have to do it next time.
Oh, come on. That's a shame. Their marketing needs a little help. Maybe that's where I come in. Feeling a little bit useless right now. We're gonna have to walk it away, so I'm sure I'm gonna have to help at some point. Whoa! It's first flight.
No hard landing.
No hard landings. Make sure you're flying it, not me. Nothing brings out neighbors like a Factory 5 delivery truck.
That truck. Oh, thanks.
This is gonna be our workbench table. Look at how big this bad boy is.
Yeah, I'm seeing it.
Oh, look at this. So, is that bending the
What?
the metal?
Oh, it's bending? Yeah.
I thought this was an aluminum kit, not a steel
I
kit.
picked up a Cessna 195 with that bar. So.
Did you really?
They can handle it with the motor and everything.
Would you say you do more airplanes these days or cars deliveries?
They give me more planes than the other guys do. This is probably the easiest plane delivery we do.
Is that right?
The other ones are no crates at all.
Oh, just a bunch of boxes?
Like vans, we have 0 crates.
Oh, wow. Alright, I'm needed. Get my sexy camera woman. Ooh, I see screws. That's a good sign. I'm sure there's staples somewhere, but...
Oh, there's staples everywhere.
Oh, there?
Yeah, check it out.
At least
Look over here.
start with forks.
This by itself will just be all wavy around.
Alright, so...
In any event, you're going to have to build some kind of a little frame.
Well, and then the big, long wing skins are 4 feet wide by like 12 feet long, so I don't know, I haven't yet decided if I'm going to store them elsewhere or under the table, which necessitates a little bit of a wider table, 4.5 feet, so they can have the legs be 4 feet apart.
That was a little slower pace up here in Penn. I thought
Door frames. Looks like it's all here. Inventory done. Alright, Eric, well, if you don't need anything else, man, thanks a lot. We sure appreciate it. Make a dream come true.
Jam off a good fun.
Yeah. Alright, well, say hi to the folks at Vans for us.
Alright, man.
One problem, it could be like it's kind of pinching it, so let's remove that. Hopefully it'll break it free. Sweet. Be easy, here we go. Okay. Alright. Alright. Cool. So lots more. So yeah, the next 2 days will be inventorying, organizing. I'm not gonna lie, it's a bit overwhelming. It's a lot of stuff, it's taking up a lot of room in my garage, but I've got a plan. The thing that I was really happy with what we did was we used the top of the box to slide the wing skins and tail cone skins onto, and then put it down right next to the box. And I'm gonna actually construct my work table around that actual box. I'm gonna use the base and the base boards to construct and erect the workbench from that point. I'm not gonna put it on casters. It's gonna be something I use for about 3 to 4 months and then essentially deconstruct and probably make a planter out of. So that's going to be the next couple days, as well as inventorying everything here and then over here, and that's going to be a big job. Okay, update from day 2. I've got most of the things in the big coffin organized and put into different areas of the house just to inventory them. I haven't started inventorying, but I did put the finishing kit in one room, the horizontal and rudder in another room, the wings in another room, with the exception of course, these longer pieces down here, and then, of course, the skins are down there. So what I wanted to kind of show you is what I'm doing to repurpose the box into my table. I purposefully didn't buy a table and build my table before getting the box, because I knew I'd be getting a lot of wood here, and oh, by the way, I mounted the TV, so I'm gonna watch the Dodgers, but wood is so expensive right now. So I took off the sides. I've unloaded the box with the exception of the spars and those longerons and whatnot. And then I took off the sides and I ripped off all the 2x2s and then cut the 2x2s to 35 inches. So yeah, there's a lot of staples. Sawzall works really good with the staples. All I've had to buy to complete my table, which I'll show you tomorrow, is 3 12-foot long 2x4s, 2 sheets of MDF, 4x8 of course, and then some 1x4s, because we're gonna make some 1x4s, and then we're gonna make a shelf and then load the wing skin shelf back in, and then I'm gonna have a ton of storage underneath the shelf with the wing skins, and then of course the table on top. So cost me all of about, can't be more than $100 to build a table with all the wood that they've supplied. So that's been awesome. I actually could have used the crate underneath the firewall forward kit and the fuselage cage, but I didn't want to rip into that quite yet. All right, some good progress has been made on the table. We've got the shelf structure in right here. And before we go ahead and put the shelf with the sheet metal back in, I wanted to get some footage to see it. Obviously we've braced it where we could, prevent any sort of racking, and it is solid. Next step is going to be putting the OSB on top of this and then laying the MDF on top of that. What do you think of the table, buddy? Doesn't care. Voila, it is done. It's huge because that opens up a ton of storage. I can now organize and start inventorying. I'm stoked, I can't wait. Ani's over there making some jewelry, aviation jewelry. Check her out at theeasecollective.com. Next episode is gonna be actually building. I'm not gonna film my inventorying. We're just gonna go ahead and start the vertical stabilizer. What am I doing with the dog on my neck? He's a herding dog, and he loves to be up high, and his balance is really, really good. Look at him stalking Ani over there. Anyway, for more on the build, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that notification bell to be notified when I drop my next video, which is gonna be me building the vertical stabilizer. I really appreciate you watching. Until next time, you're cleared direct.